So inyanga nesangoma kuyafana into eyodwa.
Isangoma siyinyanga.
No, answer the question. Inyanga nesangoma into eyodwa.
Yeah, isangoma siyanyanga. Awuyona into eyodwa.
Kade ngifuna ukuzwa lapho.
Igedla li-all. Mind you ukuthi before we did not have amagedla. Amagedla came when sesine Christianity.
Oh.
The word umamele kahle. The word igedla, it means somebody who does not walk straight. It means to come contact with or to brush with. That means it means something that this name was given to abantu ababengazazi begula ngesimo semimoya.
Oh,
lo today ufaka amajazi uyathandaza ngesande ubiza uNkulunkulu kaAbraham mind ubungoma abumbiza uJesu Kristu at all. Understand? And lo muntu ufaka amajazi uthi ungumprofeti kusasa simbona sekagubha imithi uthi uyinyanga kusasa simbona sekathi no ngiugela sekafaka amathambo lo muntu uyigela akazazi umuntu ogula ngemimoya ngendlela thizeni.
Ake ngiqale nje ngiphume kancane bafuthi ngingamangali mase ngikhuluma inkulumo isitho manje ngiqala uphuza iwayini. Sebengishaye ding dong.
I knew that moment will come.
Sebengishaye ding dong.
Ungasibulali futhi.
Alright. Sizongena kumngoma. Umngoma uzothi mayekhuluma nawe athi shayivume siyavuma. Shayivume siyavuma. Shayivume siyavuma. Uyavumisa umngoma. Kunabantu abangazazi ukuthi bafola anda kuphi mavuso. Akazazi kungena kuphi mavuso.
My jack of all trades.
All in one. We understand. So now bese siba naleyo nkinga ufika umthandazi njengoba deshilo umkhulu ufika umthandazi useyinyanga.
It's my thoughts. I'm also allowed to give thoughts. I think there are a lot of people listening to you and them, of course. There are a lot of people abaseyintweni kodwa abazi ukuthi bafike njani.
Exactly.
And abazi ukuthi kumele bephume kanjani.
Exactly.
Balahlekile and baningi and basazoba baningi.
And bathi idlozi.
Kodwa kunematches and thoughts.
Bese kuba futhi ke ilabo ke abayinkinga kunabo bonke abantu. Ilabo abantu aba-understanda ubumnyama be-understand ukukhanya bese bekhetha ubumnyama. Labo ke ngeke ubabone ungafika esigodlweni uthi umthandazi kanti igodlo zakho zingaphandle. Understand? Ungatshela ukuthi umfundisi ukwazi iBhayibheli ngathi walidla abanye. Mangakukhuluma iBhayibheli ngathi yabo engakhuluma ukwazi ukufola under kuma categories amaningi ubona ukuthi ingqondo yakhe ithini. Ilaba aba-understandayo ukuthi okay la usebenza ngobumnyama.
Remember, as I'm sitting here, I listen to you guys. You just said ubungoma bunobunkulunkulu phakathi. You said ubungoma abuhambi no Jesu. You put it down here earlier on.
That's why I feel like.
And secondly, I want to know uthi abangoma bafuna nesondweni.
Mina since abangoma bayemanzini.
Nabo la ndimo
Abangoma bayemanzini balanda imimoya kanjani
engcolile.
Abageli
Nabathandazi.
bayemanzini nabathandazi bayemanzini bona balanda yaphi imimoya.
Balanda imoya engcolile. Athi uchazela ithwayo abathandazi. Yazi abathi balanda imoya engcolile. Understand?
Uyahlola uhlola ngenkukhu bahlola bonke labantu
Inkukhu yahlola.
It's just an example.
Oh.
Yeah, now akona ungawathemba amagedla isangahlola emagedla.
Oh my goodness, Lord, yeah.
Anything is possible.
But he's here, he's going to come for himself.
But then what I'm simply saying is this.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Manches and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata.
Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Manches and Thoughts. My name is Patanani. I am your favorite host, your favorite chef. Darlings, I am not alone, of course. Ngiphethe abobaba, amadoda. Guys, I don't know. Have you noticed ukuthi ngathi labantu abafanda bomuso bayakuthanda these days? I don't know. I'm sure you guys nibhekile ne? Cause no say umthumela kodwa sikilwane why so kalo la ngita futhi kwenzakala kahle. Anyway, I'm just joking. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. Gentlemen, sanibonani. Ninjani.
Siyaphila,
You know what,
siyaphila.
man? Ngoba angifuni ukuthi ngithathe shine away from you guys. Let me not waste your time. Please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where you from? And what's special about you? And you are more than welcome to leave your number because you'll never know after this episode. You will do that until it comes back to me.
Asibingelele eMpumalanga Ntshonalanga eNingizimu eNyakatho emagumbini amanomhlaba obingelela umkhunqushe endaweni yaseGoli eSprings endaweni ethiwa kuseDesley Park. Uyayizwela nama sethiwa Desley Park kusesilungwini Desley Park yabo. So nje lokhu uyayikhulumela ngachaza akufuni ukuchaza lokho. So nginyanga ngidumele kakhulu ngokwelapha bafowethu ngathatha leli thuba nami ngibonge uChef bakithi for ukuthi usinvite size lapha singazi lutho. Siyabonga kakhulu nje siyabingelela koza kwethu. Amen.
Amen. Endaweni yaseDesley.
Desley Park.
Desley Park.
Oh my goodness. Anyway, someone like
Sanibona nami angibingelele nginondabela ya ngila eGoli ngase Enadale ya abayazi nje bayazi Enadale ya endaweni yase Johannesburg South nami ngibonga nje kuba la ekhaya akukho ukuthemba.
Siyabonga Khehle. Na ingathi nonke indlela esilungwini nje. Anyway,
Ngaphandle amavuso.
Khehle la sawubona.
Ayaphile.
You know, let me tell you something. Home is where the heart belongs. You understand what I mean? Proceed.
Hayi igama lami uNkulunkulu Mlondo ngihlala endaweni esempangeni kodwa manje ngisala ePitoli eRoslyn.
Nawo sesilungwini. Mavuso incele magudulela umkonkodida amaphisi. Fana ubhekisa inkabejubweni usicunga sikhuluma sinamlomo. Bathe unendaba nemzwana nganayo siyathoba kakhulu umthiya ukuthi sibuye sibe khona kuMantshies and Thoughts. Bathi ugumbi lamagwala ke basho wena mhlamba ke nathi simagwala ke namhlanje njoba silapha sitholakala eVanderbijl Park kusesilungwini naseMpumalanga Morganzone nase Cape Town Claremont. So siyathoba kakhulu siyathemba ukuthi we're looking forward for another epic episode. Sithemba ukuthi konke into izohamba kahle konke sizokhuluma ucoshe lokhu okuhambelana nomoya wakho naloko kuzokuphilisa. Siyathoba kakhulu.
Basichazele ukuthi bangobani babuyaphi. All of them babuya esilungwini. Of course, I am your host Chef Phatanani Mbatha. I'm from Centurion. So just be Centurion. Guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ngithe manje ngicela ukuthi nizoba nami namaMantshies ngokuthobeka kwenu nabakhona lana.
Yeah.
Please note that I don't take you guys for granted. Let's do a cheers before we start.
Cheers.
Shawshes.
Yay!
Sethemba ukuthi mayiphele show lo cheers uzabo sakhona.
Of course. Guys, welcome to season 17.
Alcohol.
Okay, guys, ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngomoya wobungoma. But here is the twist. I had a clip on my show. One of the guests said, umoya wobudlozi akusiwo umoya wakini. I'm sure you all watched that clip. You saw that clip. And ngifuna ukuthi ke nonke nizangoma. Uthwasile? Uthwasile?
Angisekho lo mkhakha nje.
Wake wathwasa?
100%.
Uthwasile?
Yes.
Okay. Umoya wobudlozi, umoya obuyaphi? I'll start with you, Ncoshe. Mbabukele bamakhaya sikhuluma ngomoya wobudlozi, umoya wobungoma.
Yane.
Yazi Mthiya lo mbuzo for mina difficult because angifuni ukukhuluma into engayazi. Angazi ngize ngithwasa. So angikwazi ukuzokhuluma ngomoya wobungoma. So ngaphendula manga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't have anything to say when it comes to that. Awuzange wathwasa wena. Kanti wena uyini kahle kahle?
Nginyanga. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ngedlesa.
But I'm sure you know ngobungoma in what but unless you are just running away. Because we can run away. Yeah, uyabaleka uNcoshe.
No, ukuthi isontshikazi imnandi into yokuthi ukhulume ngento oyaziyo. Not izwa bethi angithi bazokhuluma amangoma sinabo la abahambe bayothwasa bayazi lo moya bawuthathaphi so mina ngizokuba ngikhuluma ngomoya wokuthwasa mangahle ungibuze entwaseni kwenziwana ngithi angazi sekuyi problem le for me so it's better singedlule khona ngizoyiphendula
lena ihlula kanjani Ncushe?
cha ingihlula
Awubazi ukungoma Ncushe?
No Mavuso angibaleki baba manje baba ngizochaza ngithini ngomngoma baba bangisizisa ngoma baba
Okay,
kuyezwakala.
I'm coming back. Let me not ngihambise back.
okay.
Anyway, umoya womngoma ubuya yini umoya womngoma?
Asicale le ngiyathemba ukuthi uma ngimdlalele uNcushe uzongena ngiyamazi ngizomthinta emanonini. Uyabona idlozi ubungoma izinto ezembili ezahlukene lezo. Yeah, ubungoma is umoya othile. Umoya kanjalo nje umoya wokwelapha umoya ohambesana nama rituals noma izinto ezithile ekumele zenzeke ukuze lo moya uphile ukwazi ukuhlaliseka kahle but ngizoba umazibuko ke namhlanje ubungoma is derived from the word ingoma meaning uma ukhuluma ngomngoma ukhuluma ngokugida ukhuluma ngomculo thizeni okumele ube khona ukuze leyo nto leyo uthi ingoma iphelele yabona but ke lo moya umoya ohambelana nokulapha njengoba sengishilo kodwa ubungoma akusibona umoya wakini idlozi umoya noma into kanjani yakini because akekho umuntu onganadlozi ophilayo once waphila nje unalo idlozi depends lokho kwesiphiwo say topic for another day noma into ehlukile leyo but uma sikhuluma ngomngoma sikhuluma ngomoya thizeni lo moya lo ungakubamba at any stage in life noma ekuphileni kwakho futhi lo moya lo uyenze ukuthi uma ukhona uhambe ube passed down from generation to generation okusho ukuthi udlulele phambili esizukulwane nezizukulwane like I kodwa the reason ngithi ubungoma akusiyona into yakini kuyenzeka ukuthi ubungoma ngikwazi ukuthi mina uma ngingabufuni ngibuphahlele noma ngibukhulumise bese ngimikisa kuNcushe ngithi lo moya lo so uphahlela ukuthi uthathwe uNcushe kodwa kuseso umoya wani wobungoma kuyenzeka futhi ubungoma sikwazi ukuthi sibe nendlela ethizeni yokuconverta ukuthi lo bungoma bungasebenzi ngendlela yentwaso okusho ukuthi lo bungoma busebenze ngendlela thizeni mhlawumbe ufuna ukuba umprofeti noma ufuna ukuthi lo moya siwenze ukuthi ube yisikholwa ungabi ilendlela le ohamba ngayo so engisho ukuthi futhi kuyenzeka ubungoma uma ngabe ungabufuni kube nendlela zokuburesista zokubususa kuwe ukuthi lo bungoma lobu mina angibufuni futhi angeke ngibuthwasele ngingakwenza mina ngakulahla lo
Okay, ake siqale le ubungoma usuke naye kahle mkhulu athi ubungoma umoya odinga ingoma which is from music to ucula to umuthi ingoma alright bithe sithi la ubungoma umoya wasekhaya umoya wakini okay angithi because where we're going wrong kulala isithitha khona sithi idlozi nobungoma bonke abantu banawo amadlozi kodwa kunabantu abavuka ngumoya wedlozi lobungoma that means kunomoya thizeni wedlozi elifuna ingoma elidinga ukwenzelwa ama rituals awengoma ngendlela thizeni so what happens is this now uma sithi thina umuntu mostly ubungoma bu involve intwaso.
Okay.
Ma ku involve intwaso, which is the process of initiation. Ma u initiate wena, what are we provoking? Si provoke umoya wobungoma. Mind you, ukuthi umoya wobungoma ubuya on the picture because there is a certain problem that needs attention. It can be emdenini. Ubungoma is there to heal umsamo wasekhaya. It is there to heal nation isizwe. That means ubungoma comes as a solution to heal something. You understand? So bese sithi thina okay, umkhulu uvuka umoya wobungoma. Why initiate the process of cleanse umuntu, sigeza umsamo wasekhaya senze that means there is something that is wrong that needs attention, that needs to be cleansed. And then masikaqedile lo muntu uyaqhubeka futhi uyalapha ngendlela thizeni. That means there is a problem that that particular person is still trying to fix. So umoya wobungoma umoya olungisayo somewhere. That means there is something that is wrong. But then I guess ithathela ma umuntu athwasa ubungoma, thina we've got this thing that we call ukuthi umuntu uyamanifestwa idlozi. Angithi umuntu makamanifestwa idlozi livuka kuye, angeke uvuke idlozi la Nestor, angeke uvuke idlozi elakwambatha, kuvuka idlozi ele direct lineage yakho. It can be 100 years, it can be 200 years, but when you carry the bloodline of that particular person, where azo manifesta.
Don't worry about them. When I'm all right. Now that's the criminal story.
Angithi ngiyangithanda ukuthi
No, bayeke.
face yomuntu ukuthi sisodwa uya confuse. All right, bese senza kanje. Bese sithi thina the initiation part yobungoma. Tina, the whole purpose is to provoke spirit thizeni, spirit si manifest emuntwini, and then leso spirit yisona spirit esifuna ingoma, yisona spirit esifuna umuthi ingoma, yisona spirit esifuna ukuthi kuculwe kushaywe wena as an individual ezuphathanani. You don't have an interest in all these things, but the spirit in you yisona spirit esifunayo lento ukuze sikwazi ukuthi silapheke naso sikwazi kulapha abantu or sikwazi ukuthi silaphe isizwe. All right, where is une point la engathi isuyabisiyabili ukuthi lo moya wobungoma uyakwazi ukuthi udivert. You cannot divert ubungoma. Okay. You can't divert ubungoma. Ubungoma, this thing, when you become the chosen somebody by abantu abadala noNkulunkulu mvele ngangi to say we are giving this person this pure thizeni at birth. Akekho umuntu ongathi I discovered ukuthi ngisangoma at 4. Doesn't mean kusuka kunama sign all along. But maybe when we are not paying much attention to those signs, but then it becomes a gift, and then there will come a time where you are being called to say, now it's time to come and serve. Moya obuyo fix something.
Wow, thank you. Say something. No, I shake.
Okay, ngizothi uqala edlozini ngidirive.
No problem. Take your time.
Yabona ngokwethu, you understand? Sithatha ngokuthi idlozi umuntu wakini. You understand? Idlozi umoya ongena umuntu wakini. If umuntu wakini athi inkalekisi wawudalela ukuthi la emhlabeni uzoba udokotela. Wena wafika wazoyithakathela, you understand? Noma wazoyenza into owungadalelwe yona. Loyo moya wedlozi uyangena ukuthi uma ufika kuthini ufika ngathi abantu ufika nabantu bakithi betshengisa ukuthi khona into ongayenzanga emhlabeni okusekumele uzoyenza into owudalelwe because umuntu if ungayenza into owudalelwe ulokhu uyabuya umuntu. Understand? So idlozi akusiyumo asifani nezidalwa zasekhaya omkhulu bethu. Idlozi umoya wangaphandle. Understand? Futhi umoya wakhona umuntu umphathi wakhona une dread ufaka amabhayi utholakala yabo ngichaza ethiwa njalo vele ngiyazi zizosuka vele inkulumo yabo la athi uchaza umphathi wakho umuntu ophethe une dread. You understand? Le dread athi ngikhuluma kahle hawo understand ukuthi ngizoye ngayiphuthuma but ngitshele ilokho umphathi wakhona. Understand? Utholakala ngisho kohlala, uthola ngisho nasemanzini. Understand? Umphathi osangoma. Even ngisho kuthiwa mase usujule ngempela ngalento, ugcina uhlangana naye. bazongifakazela nabanye akusimina kuphela owaboniswa yena understand so umngoma akusiyo umoya alright
Okay.
understand umoya osuke ngathini yabona makuthiwa omkhulu bethu babesebenzisa ilwane understand ngithi example kokunegroup thizeni hlola ama department understand so leyo moya leyo understand mayise eshona leyo muntu loyo esengena kithi cause loyo moya loyo uyaqhubeka awumi up until uzulahle mawulahle understand so mayise ungena kithi loyo moya loyo moya loyo usebenza kuthina kodwa usuku usaqhubeka nalento kamkhulu wakho ayenza hayi ukuthi whether it's right or wrong usaqhubeka nawo you understand so into engizama ukisho la ukuthi umngoma umoya wangaphandle akusuwa sekhaya understand futhi akusiyo umoya ohlambulukile because uhambisana nakho nedlozi ukuse sijwayele ukuthi idlozi sicabanga ukuthi idlozi into yasekhaya idalo zakho omkhulu bakho abakini not ukuthi idlozi lasekhaya. Yeah.
Ncoshe, I'm sure you do have something to say. Why I'm saying that? Ncoshe, aqeda ukuthi wena Ncoshe wenza igroup. I ngiyenzela message now. Wenza igroup uyazifakisela mngani wami, uyasithakathela. So kusho ukuthi uzwile unkulunkulu ukuthi I'm sure you've got something to say.
Hayi mina indoda emnyama namadrada ngiyazi. Indoda emnyama namajazi. No ngiyabezwa Mthiya. Kunama mistake abakhona. Number 1 siyabonga kumkhulu ngapha uyicacise kahle. Awukwazi ukuzothi wena idlozi noma umoya osukungenile ungakwazi ukuvala le nto ayivaleki le nto leyana because once ekhaya yabakhona sekuyo ngisho negeneration to generation uhlezi khona the otherwise mawuthi uyayivala wena usuyilethela inkinga empilweni yakho usuzoqala ube nezinkinga abaningi abantu ababezama ukulivala idlozi ukuthi alisuke kuye wagcina into yakho nje impilo yakhe yaba mahlakahlaka and then enye into ebiyijuleke la Prophet Mavuso wena chef la ebungomeni ziyabuya kudlalwa ngoba number 1 safanele mhlawumbe ujwayele uhamba ngenyawo safanele uhamba intaba kufanele uhamba ulungula izilwane imithi emahlathini so manje Prophet Mavuso bese befuna ukuyibypassa lento abalekela ukuthi uyazi mama ufika nje bring your water thandaze amanzi athi ngegama la Jesu kuphelile yabona so la ku prophet noma kumthandazi se shortcut ngoba ziyabuya la baningi abantu ababalekile ubungoma bangena ekuthandazeni because bayabona ukuthi la ekuthandazeni akunamsebenzi eningi uhamba amanzi uthandazela abantu khulekela amanzi shayini kanti ngapha ziyabuya la enye into ofanele sijulele umngoma masikhuluma ngomngoma kukhulunywa ngomuntu isikhathi esiningi noma ngithi mandulo kwakungabantu ababeshaya umhlahlo labo bantu labo abehlelwe yilomoya womhlahlo that's why kwangesiyinyanga kwangesiba abaprofeti ababezohamba mhlambe bemfuleni noma bemanzini beyolanda into ezithile kwakade umngoma bekwazi ukuzwa usasuka kini usaya kubo azi ukuthi nomuntu ozayo ngoba sebemtshelile labantu bakhe abamembethe ukuthi kunabantu abezayo so lento yomngoma akusiyo into esingayithatha lula ijulile le yanto leyana that's why ke manje bese ngena ubafo mhlawumbe ezokhuluma ngendoda efaka ama-dread nengubo ezimnyama because vele imvamisa yabo
Uthe amabhayi.
Amabhayi amajazi kuyafana ngoba umngoma kwafanele vele bene dread ekhanda besimbona ngalokho ukuthi umngoma lo abe nama dread enza ama dread you understand so now uma isewenzile ama dread ila mhlawumbe engabe idlozi lakhe noma amandla akhe asuke ehleli khona I don't know ukuthi mangaligunda ni dread shothi ngeke sahlola lo muntu loyo but besibabona ngalokho uma befaka ibomvu becuba ibomvu ukuthi hayi umngoma bese simhlukanisa kanjalo so leyo ukuthi imimoya akusi okay le imimoya kuthiwe ngesiyo vele yakini imoya silanda ngaphandle that's why sizohamba siye entabeni that's why sizohamba siye emanzini ongaphika lokho usuke kwenzani emanzini usuke kwenzani entabeni mayothandaza wayengathandaza endlini yakhe ngoba futhi phela lo muntu nje endlini yakhe but because manje kunalamathonga kithi noma kunalabantu abadala okhokho omkhulu bethu abahamba bengenwe yimoya that's why abanye bazobethi wena unomoya womndawo mhlambe wena unomoya wamakhosi because akusiwe wethu ubuya from emakhosini lapha bese yakwenza uzosembatha omunye kuthiwe wena wangenwa mhlambe umoya yangaphandle as long as unesiphiwo esiqhamuka whatever lesiqhamuka khona eminye yemoya iyazakahlelela yona kuwena ifike wembathe
So uthi umoya wobungoma akusiyo wakini.
Akusiwo wakini.
Okay, inondaba la ngiyabona we wanna say something.
Yeah. Ake sithi uyilungisa la. If you have seen abangoma bathwasa umngoma makathwasa iprocess yokuthwasa umngoma kuyavuka idlozi lizisho ukuthi umahla lentabeni angithi mina ngumahla lentabeni why we say abogogo nabomkhulu we are not talking about abogogo base next door. We're not talking about abogogo about what we are actually saying abogogo of your bloodline. We are actually acknowledging the abogogo bakho wena as an individual. I don't know if it can be 10 generations, 20 generations, it doesn't matter. So what happens is this, ubungoma unkulu uthe uthola ukuthi ubungoma the whole purpose was ukushaya umhlahlo ukubhula and then something like that. Not that, I would like to disagree lapho. Isangoma siyanyanga. Ukunyanga is the process whereby umuntu asebenzisa imithi yesintu ukuphilisa omunye umuntu. Abantu ekhaya bogogo bebenyanga. Ukunyanga is part of our society. Thina siyinyanga. Understand? All right. Ukwelapha kwendabuko. Wonke ugogo kunemithi yasekhaya ukuthi ugogo bekasazi ukuthi mayingane ingagula usebenzisa imithi thizeni nawe kunenduku zabafana esazi ukuthi le imithi yabafana makushayeke ngendlela thizeni sisebenzisa imithi thizeni. And then bise sithi thina bise sithi lo muntu usuka anyanga. Isangoma siyanyanga. The word ukunyanga comes from ukusebenzisa imithi yendabuko ukulapha omunye umuntu or ukusiza omunye umuntu. So isangoma naso siyinyanga. Kodwa yinyanga edlule 3 process yengoma.
Okay.
Inyanga kodwa idlule 3 process yengoma. The process yobungoma kula oqala khona ungena ephehlweni uyenza ama rituals awengoma. After that so uqedile so uyanyanga.
So inyanga nesangoma kuyafana into eyodwa.
Isangoma siyinyanga.
No, answer the question. Inyanga nesangoma into eyodwa.
Yeah, isangoma siyanyanga. Awuyona into eyodwa.
Kade ngifuna ukuzwa
That's what it is. No.
Because if we're saying into
No, it's a question.
Yeah.
And
All
you
right.
also went, yeah.
Why ngithi awuyona into eyodwa?
Yes.
It's simple because the process yobungoma starts first. It's just like saying a boy and a man kuyafana na.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I'm answered.
You understand? Ukuthi the process yobungoma is the process of initiation. After sewuqedile awusayenzi ingoma. Angithi so unyanga wena because now your role is to use amakhambi esintu to heal the nation, to heal the people. Ubungoma ingoma beyidingwa idlozi lakhe beligula wena walapheka so uyanyanga.
Before ngizosuka kuwe ngiyeza kwena ngifuna nje ukubuza umbuzo kunxushe uchazile amaqala ukuthi wena uyinyanga. Just a question. Inyanga nogedla kuyafana? That's question number 1. Number 2, ubunyanga buyathwaselwa na?
Asiqale la ukuthi ngoba sikhuluma lana sikhuluma mhlawumbe singachazi singayidip njengoba bethi umkhulu uyaphikisana nade ngisho ukuthi ke umngoma umsebenzi wakho ngomshaya umhlahla ubani bethiwa mhlawumbe sivumelekile ukuthi sibuza bengambuza ngithi ke umprofeti uyawushaya nomhlahla noma waye ushaya nomhlahla ngithi inyanga ayushaya nomhlahla ubekubani into beyazi ukuthi ushaya umhlahla bekumngoma but yes uyalapha uyanyanga vele ngiyakuvuma lokho but kodwa amandla akhe emakhulu kakhulu kwakufika bese emhlahlweni njoba ngiyinyanga mina igama lokunqamulela lelo but mina ngugedla ngoba ngithwasanga inyanga iyathwasa ugedla lithwasa.
Oh, okay.
Kunomehluko phakathi kwalezo zinto lezo ukuthi inyanga iyathwasa ithwasela ubunyanga ugedla lithwasa ngoba ugedla umuntu osuke mhlawumbe emayekhulu kunomkhulu ekhaya uhambe uyogubha imithi lokho engifundisa nansi imithi ngicine ngiyafunda ngamanye amazwi senguhlaka lakhe ngimphathele ikhwama zakhe ayisekho into ayenza engakwazi ukuyenza kodwa manje mase kuthiwa uyinyanga wena sekufanele uhambe uzokhuphula nomnyanga bakho ukuthwasela umnyanga bakho ngeke uze ube yinyanga ungabukhuphulile umnyanga bakho.
Okay, thank you.
Over to you. Mina.
Yes.
Yabona kade ngisalukhuzana. Yabona iproblem esinayo eze abantu bezangoma. Bathatha ngokuthi yonke imimoya yabo.
Exactly.
You understand? Yonke imoya ifolanda usangoma. Ifana nama Christians athatha ngokuthi uNkulunkulu wabo. Ubona abazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu sifika kanjani uNkulunkulu. Understand? Even singakhuluma ngisho namandawo namanzuza kanje I belong kubusangoma kuphela. Singaba nento eyodwa but kuhluke ama department. You understand? So ilento ade ngizama ukuyicorrecta la ukuthi bese ukuthi ngiza kunalento futhi yomnyanga nokugedla. ukugedla nomnyanga akufani futhi kude nokufana unyanga iyalapha you understand isebenza ngokulapha kuphela ugedla usebenza ngelwane at the same time futhi uphinde laphe you understand le nto umnyanga abuthwaselo umnyanga isiphiwe esivela kuNkulunkulu ukuthi uzosebenza ngamakhambi bakhona abantu othi usebenza ngokulapha kuphela once wafaka ilwane phakathi usubugedla lo usanyanga mthakathi understand yabo so leyo nto ayihlangene leyo nto leyo inyanga ubugedla usebenza ngisho ngamathambo uyasebenza namathambo ugedla because amathambo uyawacabela understand uwasebenza ngendaba zeqhudi kanje kuningi kodwa lokuhlaba yabo but unyanga nobugedla abufani futhi abusoze bafana abukho ngisho eduze inyanga iyaphilisa inyanga ayibona ukuthi iletha ukukhanya ebumnyameni ayibulala
inyanga
abuthwasela unyanga
alright mthi ake sihlukanise la ngoba mhlambe umbukelo uzodideka emakhaya iziningi izinto esiyishoyo but asiyahluleka ukuhlukanisa ukuthi kahle kahle sikhuluma ngani inkinga uma uthi unedlozi akusho ukuthi unedlozi lokwelapha wonke umuntu that is why the term idlozi does not refer to umuntu onesiphiwo sokwelapha idlozi lisuke lisho umoya othile kodwa uwabantu abadala noma ohamba nawo wonke umuntu that's why I said wonke umuntu unedlozi kodwa mawusikhuluma ngomngoma ukhuluma ngesiphiwo esithile manje leso siphiwo yes it can be passed down from generation kodwa ukuthi ugogo wami wayengoma akusho ukuthi isiphiwo somngoma sifika naye la ekhaya is just ukuthi nguye owayesiphethe uma sesiza kimi siza through yena but akusisona sakhe and that is why ngithi kuwe mina ubungoma as ileso sipho straight itself uyakhona ukuconvector ukuthi futhi uconvector number 1 ukuthi ubusebenzise ngenye indlela futhi uyakhona ukubuxosha ukuthi bungabiko ngoba ukuthi lobu ubungoma buza nogogo wakho it does not mean ukuthi usukuxosha ugogo wakho otherwise mina ngaye kothwasa but I discovered later through knowledge ukuthi kahle kahle asikho isidingo sokuthi ngihamba ngiyothwasa because ubunyanga nginabo ubunyanga ke masikhuluma ngobunyanga is a gift abahambelani nobungoma uma sikhuluma ngoprophet it's also a gift abahambelani nobungoma buyimele bodwa gelekeqe lapha bunezindlela zabo futhi obufuna ukuthi bugcinelwe zona ngendlela zakhona and that is why kunabantu abaningi today abanawo umoya womngoma but abakhonile ukuthi besuke beconvert besebenze ngendlela ethizeni futhi ngingakutshela mina mangafika umuntu manje athi kimi uma ngikhona ukulahla isithwalo let's take it ake sicabanga ngale uma ngikhona ukulasha mhlawumbe unxushe waye no it's a good example it's not bad unxushe umngani wami wekade ukuthela uma ngabe unxushe ubese ekhaya enesithwala esebenza ngomnyanga nje obesebenza bese unxushe ngena umntanakhe bese kufika umntanakhe kimi athi mina ngene umkhulu noma ngene ubani kuthiwa vele unxushe wayenje uma ukhona ukuthi unxushe umlahle ukuthi unxushe siyamsusa kulomntwana yini engakwenza ukuthi uhlule ukulahla umngoma
I don't know, thank you.
It's just the consequences azoba akhona asisho ukuthi ama consequences ngeke abe khona okulahla into ethile kodwa akusho ukuthi ayenzeki
I'm coming with a question. And this ways, I'm coming with a question, but I want to give Nondabela.
yani yazi kulento kanje umkhulu uthe ubuprophet it's a gift ubunyanga it's a gift ubungoma it's a what
Answer. Uncle.
Yes it's a gift nayo but akusiyona i gift eqhamuka through abantu bakini
okay
Thank you.
mina angiboni nje gift
Let me finish.
ake siqale la kulento kanje ubunyanga buyisiphiwo it's a gift ubuprophet ubunusi buyisiphiwo it's a gift ubungoma buyisiphiwo it's a gift all right bese siyahamba size sifike according to ubugedla okay what you must understand I would like to I know this one unkuluthi uyigedla when we start to use amagama we associate the word isithunywa nobuthandazi, we associate the word ugedla namathambo, we associate, that's when we are going wrong.
Okay.
Ngani ngoba uthi inyanga iyalapha kodwa ayilaphi ngamathambo. Ugedla uyalapha, ulapha ngamathambo. And then you say lo munye inyanga lo ugedla akuyiboni iphila kanjani.
Okay. Teach us.
Ngani ngoba abangoma nabo bayawasebenzisa amathambo.
Yes.
Abangoma bayasebenzisa amathambo, bayazi ukuthi ithambo thizeni lisebenza into ethizeni. Angeke sithi abangoma siba amagedla ngoba nabo basebenzisa amathambo. Angeke sisho ukuthi ngani ngoba umkhulu thizeni akabasebenzi. Kufana nomuntu othi uma ufaka uhlalo ukuthi ungungoma. Sesiya generalize lapho. Kanti nalento iyisiphiwo ezisebenza ngendlela engafani. Umprofeti ujeni umprofeti thina sithi ungumnusi, angithi all right. Now umuntu uyimboni, sinembono sinomnuse lo muntu ngendlela thizeni uyabonisa ukuthi into ethizeni mhlawumbe esazoyenze akayeni umelaphi. Imboni unesiphiwo sokubona imfihlakalo ngendlela thizeni. But ngendlala nazi imboni sezifuna ukwelapha.
Imboni sesifuna ukwenza.
Yebo. Imboni ngendlala. Unesiphiwo namhlanje sokuthi uyakwazi ukubona inkinga yomuntu. But awuwazi ukuyisolve le nkinga. Akusona isiphiwo sakho wena. Esakhe isiphiwo ngesokuthi ubone imfihlakalo thizeni ngempilo yomuntu bese usho ukuthi no ukhona umkhulu usibanibanyana loya unesiphiwo sokuphilisa amakhambi akwazi ukuthi akulaphi.
Mthiya,
Manches, we are still here. Nizwile ke ukuthi imboni iphiwe isiphiwo sokuthi ibone not ukwelapha. Kodwa ke ngoba indlala igcwele yonke indawo sesisithola senza izinto esingaphiwanga zona. Uthini wena lapha ekhaya njengombukeli weManches and Thoughts? Yes.
Yabona sisukujula kancane.
Jula khetha.
Yabona umngoma akusisi isiphiwo. Understand? Futhi angiboni ukuthi kusondela eduze kwesiphiwo. Understand? Umngoma yazi mina ngingakwazi ukwenza isangoma ungasona isangoma. Understand? Ungazi ube isangoma. Uthothi umuntu okay uqale uphuphe ubuhlalo uphuphe amajazi ungazi wayiphupha ukuthi ngidlisa u1 no2 no3 ngathi hamba emfuleni wenza u1 no2 no3 bese ulanda lo moya lo. Kusasa ugedla futhi ohambayo ube isangoma esihambayo. Understand? Cause ileo ubusangoma ikhwama zomkhulu bethe ilahlile abafuna ukuzosinika thina ukuze bengene emndenini cause banemthwalo. You understand? Yabo. Yes, banemthwalo bazosinika leni kuze bekwazi ukungena abangene emndenini abangene emndenini or abanye basebe ngathi ezulwini kuya ngokuthi ubiza kanjani. Understand? Leyo nto leyo bazosinika lezi khwama kuze beqhubela yazi utiko losho yakwazi ukwenza umkhulu wakho. Hayi ukuthi into sebesingazi ukuyikhanda mina leyo nto beqhamuke ezomkhulu bakho.
Okay.
Understand? Yabo isangoma ngafana ne-spiritual slave, umuntu oyislave obekwe something. Understand? Ivara sizokuchazela mina ngidlala leyo game isikhathi eside nelwane ngikhandile. Yabo futhi mhlawumbe amanye episode ngingabona. Understand? Lento usuku udlulisela ukuthi abasakwazi. Yabo inkukhu yikho abantu abaningi bethothi umuntu uthi ngiphuphe ngigeza ngenkukhu bese kuseni sasakuseni uyogeza ngenkukhu. Inkukhu iyakwazi ukutransfer spirit ngisho uthwebula uyayidinga inkukhu ngisho uthwebula umoya wehlahla uyayidinga inkukhu.
Okay, so now uthi wena ubungoma abukaze and ngeke futhi ube
yazi konakalaphi.
No,
kunjalo.
Okay.
Ngizochaza ukuthi konakalaphi.
Sizobuya lapha ne Mavuso.
Yes. No, ngifuna ukuvumelana naye. What I want to support ukuthi ke ubese chaza into eyiningi kakhulu. Kodwa ke into eziphiwo it is simple. Uma ngikuphe lamanzi, that's a gift. So it uma nginodikolosho ngifuyile nginezinto zami engiyisebenzisayo. Uma ngudlulisela leyo nto le, you can describe it as a gift. And that is why ngivumelene noNdabela ukuthi yes, buyaba isiphiwo because leyo nto le iyakhona ukuthi transfereke from generation to generation. Kodwa sibuka imvelaphi yayo nebehavior yayo nokuthi lento iyisima kanjani. That is why sithi ayisiyona umoya wakini. And uma sithi ayisiyona umoya wakini ngifuna ukusupporta futhi the same point alishoyo because njengoba singamagedla uqinisile Ngiyakhona uma ngabe wena kukhona ukuthakatha, kukhona abantu abathosayo namhlanje. Ngifuna ukukuhluphekisa nje. Ngihambe mina ngiye ekuthuneni ngivusa umuntu othile angene kuwe as idlozi. Uhambe wena uyothwasa. Kanti uthwasa into engasilona idlozi lakho. And even the mimoya ekhulumayo ohlala entabeni, ohlala ubani, that can be made. Uyabona? And yiyo ke lento esiyishoyo yokuthi uma unawo lo moya loyo, it can be resisted, and lo moya lo uyakhona ukuphahlela ukuthi yendoda mina ngikudingi ngifuna lo. It problem efike ibe inkinga ukuthi imimoya miningi. I'm a prophet, nginazi isiphiwo so prophet, ngubugedla nginabo ubugedla. Uyabona? And through you can confuse these things kule mimoya uhluleke ukuhlukanisa ukuthi kahle kahle imuphi wena okumele usebenze ngawo. Kodwa ukwelapha itself, ukwelapha is not ukwelapha ngakufundisa ukwelapha kuyimfihlo. Umuntu obubuza ukuthi yini ubunyanga, imfihlo leyo. Okusho ukuthi nawe I can connect, ngingakufundisa ukwazi ukuthi uwelaphe wenyanga.
Ake ngikusize.
It has nothing to do nomoya othile. That thing can be taught. And uma ngabe ifike ihluphe lapho ke manje ukuthi umuntu obuthile owumprofeti uma usomfundisile umkhakha othile ukwenza izinto ukuthi avuse isibongo, lo muntu uyakwazi ukuyivusa lento, even though it was not given to him, but it has been taught. He uyayazi angakhona ukuyisebenzisa.
I think Nondabela wanted to say something before I come to you.
Yes, ukhululeke kanje. Mamela, umavusho. Alright, makathi yena umprofeti uyigedla. You understand? Angithi sithe masikhula masu 5. Uma sihlala mhlawumbe igame thizeni sithi 2-2 ukhona lo esithi wena we understand. That's where ugedla comes from.
Ngifuna ukuyicacisa kanjena.
Yes.
You understand? That's where ugedla comes from. Ugedla ni all. Mind you ukuthi before we did not have amagedla. Amagedla came when sesine Christianity. The word umamele kahle. The word igedla, it means somebody who does not walk straight. It means to come contact with or to brush with. That means it means something that man, this name was given to abantu ababengazazi begula ngesimo semimoya. Today ufaka amajazi uyathandaza ngeSunday ubiza uNkulunkulu kaAbrahama, mind you ubungoma abumbiza uJesu Kristu at all. Understand? And lo muntu ufaka amajazi uthi ungumprofeti, kusasa simbona sekagubha imithi uthi uyinyanga, kusasa simbona sekathi no ngiugela sekafaka amathambo. Lo muntu uyigela akazazi umuntu ogula ngemimoya ngendlela thizeni. That's why abantu bathi amagedla ayathakatha, amagedla aphilisa, amagedla anjani abulala, because umuntu ongekho straight. So once you start to say ngingumprofeti ngivusa igubhu ngiyenzani usugedla, you are not a prophet. Prophet because we are was a prophet umuntu, but according to ama guidelines obunusi obemboni so uphumile imboni zathi no lo unemkhuba lo. He's not part of us ngoba simbona hamba nabangoma bhisi akashaya ithambo lenyoka thina we don't do that. Thina siyaboniswa ngendlela thizena asifaki nokuhlala angithi. And then bese yabona inyanga zithi hayibo ufuna namabhayi so ufaka amabhayi uhamba ubhodle etextini for what? Because thina we are not doing that. So no muntu ugedla lo. Ugedla. So when he said yena ugedla, it started to make sense. Ngimakathi lento ayikho because I expected amagedla to do like that.
Okay. So
ake ngiqale nje ngiphume kancane bafuthu ningamangali mase ngikhuluma inkulumo isitho ngoba manje ngiqala uphuza iwayini. Selingishaye ding dong
I knew that moment will come.
Selingishaye ding dong.
Masibulali futhi.
Alright. Ake siqale lana ke manje mthiya lento ngeke ngibe serious ngiyokudlala. Umuntu mayezalwa emhlabeni esemncane. Wonke umuntu ngizofuna ukuyishaya ngekwesonto manje ngibuyise ngokubunyanga. Umuntu mayezalwa efika la emhlabeni kunento mhlambe ngokukholwa esingathi angel emgadile. Ebunyangeni kunethonga lakhe limbhekile.
Correct.
Alright. ahambe nomuntu akhule ilokhu ikhona le angel yakhe noma leli thonga lakhe ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngoba ziningi izinto ezenza endleleni bese liyangcola leli thonga noma lengelosi yakho. That's why noma uzothi mawufika eTexini Mthiya mangabi namonto uyogibela itekisi uthi uyagibela khona uvele ufike into ethi hayi awuhamba uthenge nansi airtime noma nawo sweet uthi yehla itekisi igcwala ihambe uzothi iginqikile phambili bekuyile ngelosi yakho noma leli thonga lakho ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ke bese iyangcola ngoba izwana nokungcola uma isingcolile bese iyaphuma kuwe which means izoma nje ngoba ngibeke isandla sami kanje ifuna ukubuya but ayikwazi ukubuya kuwe ngoba ingcolile sekuyafika kongcushe bayahlola abonele ngelosi bese uthi wena fanele uthwase kanti akufanele uthwase fanele uhlambuluke ukuze ibuye back ingelosi yakho noma ithonga lakho kuwena baningi abantu abathwasile kungafanele bethwase kuthi befanele behlanjululwe bagcina sebethwase ngoba lengelosi yakho umuntu ingcolile wonke umuntu okhona la unayo leyo ngilosi unalo lelo thonga lakhe elimgadile alright bese sizoyihlukanisa ke futhi lana ke Mthiya singothisha sonke siyafundisa esikoleni igama lithi othisha kodwa mase siseklasini kunothisha wemaths kunothisha wescience kunothisha weLO uyayizihlukanisa kanjani so now nalana ke kithi seyahlukanana ke lento uma sikhuluma ngenyanga ezophosa amathambo izothi mayihlola ihlola ihlabe athi amathambo ngoba ifunda amathambo phansi mase singena kumthandazi umthandazi nawo amanzi akho ubukela emanzini bese ezothi wathi umoya ngoba akukhulumi yena kwehla umoya kuyafika bembatha usewuvusela umoya wasemanzini noma wakuphi yiwona hlola ngawo bese siyabuya sizongena kumngoma umngoma uzothi mayekhuluma nawe athi shayivume siyavuma shayivume siyavuma shayivume siyavuma uyavumisa umngoma kunabantu abangazazi ukuthi bafuna anda kuphi omavuso akazazi kungena kuphi umavuso
My jack of all trades.
all in one we understand so now bese siba naleyo nkinga ufika umthandazi njengoba deshilo umkhulu ufika umthandazi useyinyanga ufika inyanga sengumthandazi umuntu ufaka ulahla amathambo umuntu athi uthi umoya akasafunda amathambo walahlile usethi uthi umoya ufika umngoma faka ukuthi ushayivume siyavuma athi hayi masigijima nenhlolo phansi zakho shaya siyiphambene kanti isiwebhayila isikwazi ukuhlukanisa ukuthi umngoma lo umthandazi lo inyanga le amen.
You know what? I'm listening to them, my munchies at home that are watching us now. I'm getting something here, and it's my thoughts. I'm also allowed to give thoughts. I think there are a lot of people listening to you and them, of course. There are a lot of people saying doing good abazi ukuthi bafike njani.
Exactly.
And abazi ukuthi kumele bephume kanjani.
Exactly.
Balahlekile and baningi and basazoba baningi.
And bathi idlozi.
Kodwa kunemanchies and thoughts. Noma ngabe vele nikhuluma emakhulwini akunandaba yohlala ikhona. Yes.
Yabona enye into eshaya futhi ama position yabo meaning ukuthi indlela oyibuka ngayo you understand ngizothi example khona umuntu owazi ukuthi isikole it's the only way ukuthi ungaba successful angisho ukuthi asibalekile but bazi kanjalo nala komoya yazi kunesangoma thothi bakithi safundiswa nje nasa yabo safundiswa ugobela wafundiswa ukuthi okay kwenziwa nje waphuma inkomo uhamba ekhaya you understand akanayi i-deep understanding ukuthi kahle wayifundiswana yebo lento le muntu ibona abajwayele uthothi silwa nabo ke understand kanjalo bese kuba nomuntu uthothi usebenza ngamaphupho but akakwazi uku-analyze insuch way ukuthi okuhle yakwenza nokubi okwenza mayiphuphile nje understand yabo mayiphuphile bese kuba futhi ke ilabo ke abayinkinga kunabo bonke abantu ilabo abantu aba-understanda ubumnyama be-understand ukukhanya bese bekhetha ubumnyama labo ke ngeke ubabone ungafika esigodlweni uthi umthandazi kanti igodlo zakho zingaphandle understand ungatshela ukuthi umfundisi ukwazi iBhayibheli ngathi walidla abanye mangakukhuluma iBhayibheli ngathi yabo engakhuluma ukwazi ukufola under kuma categories amaningi ubona ukuthi ingqondo yakhe ithini ilaba aba-understandayo ukuthi okay la usebenza ngobumnyama bezothatha intombazane mhlawumbe esebenza ehlambulukile bezoyihlalisa la ekhaya benzela ukuthi uNkulunkulu engabhubhisi because uNkulunkulu akabhubhisi lapha kunomntwana wakhe khona So bona benza sure ukuthi sebemgadile into ekanjalo. You understand?
Okay.
Angikhulumi into mhlawumbe kade ngayizwa ngabantu.
Mina ngiyayiphikisa. Mina
Noma ngithi okay angithi mhlambulukile because uNkulunkulu bathatha ngokuthi ngiChristianise understand abanye abantu.
Okay, kodwa umbuzo wekhehla. Khetha ungawarishe mina ngiyiphikisa. Bangakuphikisa bona.
Hayi levele kusetshenzwa.
Bona bangakuphikisa but mina ukhulume nje with confidence. Khetha so uthi wena uma kuthi mhlambe mina or umngane wami la uMavuso usebenza ngomnyama. Ukuze uNkulunkulu angabhubhisi lapha kwakhe. Mina hamba yolanda intombazane eziphethe kahle.
Athi ukuchazela kuba kanjani? Athi ukuchazela yazi lento khona uthotha umuntu kusetshenzwa ngobumnyama la ekhaya. Understand? Makusetshenzwa ngomnyama ngishidalo zakhona kusetshenzwa ngobumnyama. Yabo mhlawumbe niyahlaba mhlawumbe ubumnyama. Kukhona mhlawumbe uhle khona ubumnyama understand? Mhlawumbe nento zakhona. Yazi idalwa indlela ehlakaniphe ngayo. Zingakwazi ukuthi umfana la ekhaya zikuphuphisa intombazane. Azikuphuphisa intombazane noma nakho zifuna kune agenda behind. Ukuthi izohlala la. Ile ntombazane thothi igcina ithi ayisaphupha amaphupha asekhaya. Isilokho yaphupha la. You understand? Kuyenzeka lokho. You understand? Yabo into kanjalo. So kwenzela ukuthi yabo lento nani yaphuma la ekhaya yahamba yacasula umfana. Kusala ngisho amathuna la ekhaya. Kuyabhubha.
Okay.
You understand?
Nondabela.
Yazi lento asiqaleni lapha namkhulu nayekhela. Umkhulu uthe kunabantu abatsha amathambo. Athi amathambo athi A no B no D. Kunabantu abavumisayo. Akithi beka describe abangoma. Iphiwo zobungoma is not one size fits all.
Wow.
Abantu bayathwasa lo elakhe idlozi liyavumisa ngisho kodwa lithwasa lonke lo elakhe idlozi lihlola ngani ngamathambo. It does not necessarily mean ukuthi ubungoma kumele uhlole in a systematical way ukuthi abangoma bahlola kanje. All right, number 1.
Oh, I like that.
Number 2, uyakwazi ukuthi sithwasa sonke. Yena esakhe isiphiwo. Amathambo uyawabona mina ngwazama amathambo ayali kodwa mangivumisa into yami yaphakama. That means it's not one size fits all. Lento ayicategorize ubungoma nobunyama.
Wow.
Angithi bise sithi thina completely inyanga ihlangana nokuhlola nokuphula nani. Inyanga is a specialist yemithi. Umuntu uyahamba enyangeni ufika ukuthi nginenkinga mkhulu into zama singihambeli kahle. Athi no ndoda awuhlanganiswa into kanje. Inyanga beyingahloli izona. Ezamanje ziyahlola njengoba ngithe indlala yinkinga. Yeah, ezamanje ziyahlola and the other thing eba yinkinga. Abantu abaningi basenkingeni abangazi ukuthi bazoyikhipha kanjani because kulento kanje. Kulento eyitrendayo. Kuye wafika isikhathi sokutrend ubunyanga. Abantu abaningi nami nginyanga kubuya isikhathi sokutrend ubungoma. Angithi emateksini sihamba babhodla bafaka ubuhlalo bafaka injiti wonke umuntu usenebhayile njiti. Kwabuya lento ukuthi amagedla ashazona because sihamba nemarket yendlala. Okay, manje sesiyakhanda igubhu manje. You understand? So some of these things indlala that is actually creating all these problems because now sesikuba all check of all trades. But into esalayo ile kunabantu today abathwasile. I like this point. Kunabantu abathwasile today were not supposed ukuthi bathwase namhlanje yibo abantu abayinkinga. Because mase ukuthwasisa wena sikuthwasisa mhlawumbe what ama rituals thizeni that are not supposed to be done to you. Abantu abaningi bahlanya especially igenge efaka amabhayi. Angithi ungabona umuntu afaka amabhayi afaka ubuhlalo 80% of them akukhona ngathi intamba ifika
Serious Nondabela.
Paraffin. Number 1.
Oh, Nondabela, it's a trend.
Uyibambe njani? 80% of them kunzima ukuthi abantu bashade bayakhe bafuye kahle. Why? Because kunabantu esibenzela ama rituals that are not supposed to be done kubo and then lento bese yaji ibe isichitho ibe isidina ibe yikho konke because thina sesiyenze ritual thizeni. Umkhulu beka nesipho sokuthi alapha abantu ngamakhambi. Kuphela idlozi lakhe liyavuma isiphiwo sakhe siyavuma ukuthi uzokwazi ukuxhumana nenature ngendlela thizeni. Thina siyenzana.
Wow, okay Nondabela.
Simfaka imbuzi, simfaka inkomo iyajika lento.
Ithi ngikubuze lana ke Nondabela, ubani oyinkinga? Ubani onephutha kulento eqodo ngikhuluma? Ingabe lo mntwana lona othwasisiwe or othwasayo kungafanele o ilo muntu othwasisa lo mntwana?
Okay. Inkinga enkulu. Kunenkinga enkulu nenkinga encane.
You can differentiate
Inkinga enkulu ngabantu abathwasisa abantu knowing very well ukuthi lo akumele athwase kodwa iba inkinga ngendlala. Understand? Inkinga encane yile genge efuna ukuthwasa njalo inayo imali ukuthi ukubhadala wena ulambile unendlala unayo imali uyayifuna lento iyatrenda nami umuntu utheke kumele aparolwe ngefull moon ifull moon iba khona ebusuku ngabheka ukuthi yena ngilambile phela umuntu ufuna ukumbhadala and ufuna ukuparolwa ngefull moon idlozi lakhe limtshengisa inzunzi ithi aparolwe ngefull moon. So it's now a matter of me saying ngiyaqhubeka ngokuparula ngefull moon knowing very well ukuthi ayikho lento yakho asiparule ebusuku or I say no ake ngikwazi ukuparula ngefull moon ngife ngendlala.
You understand?
Yes, Ncushi. But before Ncushi, you can comment. Ugedla uyahlola. Uyigedla ngithi baba.
Yes.
Yeah, ugedla uyahlola yini?
Mina ngiyahlola.
Ugedla wazi ukuhlola.
Stop it, I'm not talking to you.
Asibuye sicacise la.
Yeah.
Ngoba kunabantu abakwa Mantshize and Thought abafuna ukwazi basela siyofundisa.
Yes.
Uyabona masikhuluma ngomngoma. Sikhuluma ngomuntu oliphuza aliphalaze. Beze bethi singonyankwabe thina esingathwasanga. Beze bethi kunelinye igama lokusebenzisa inkengane
Nkengane, yeah.
Yes, because asithwasanga siliphuzanga siliphalazanga. Laba baliphuza beliphalaza. Umkhulu uyangidida manje bengithi uza kahle but useya oframe nje naye endlela ngamqondo kahle manje. Ngoba phela awukwazi kunezinto eintroducewe yithi la ebunyangeni. Njengoba ngithi ugedla kahle kahle akuhlola ugedla kodwa mina ngiyahlola ngoba ngayikhandela into zami engihlola ngazo ngoba eke wayithinta ubhuti lapha wathi emathanjeni ngiyakwazi ukuvusa amathambo ngithatha inkukhu ngiwagcabe iphile kimi emzimbeni lento isangoma ngesiyenze lento leyo mase siyenze deep ngokomthetho ngeke isangoma siyenze kunento isangoma esingakwazi ukuyenza kunento umthandaza angakwazi ukuyenza kahle unomngamela la umuntu owugedla lento abangayifuna abantu bakube ngazathi mhlambe njobe angazi bani kwasha ukuthi laba abangoma ngathi uye futhi lo abangoma yonke into ifuna ukuthi ngathi iba ngabo unkuleko Yesu wayisho ubunkuleko yonke into ngathi ngabo kanti kunezinto manje asivusa isipoko umngoma angayazivusa isipoko akasazi umthandazi mawuthi avusa isipoko akasazi uzobiza thina sivusa isipoko uthi okay awungenzeleke ilokuzana isibambelelo noma umuntu wedliso uzoqala athi hayi kufanele ngohlanza imithi mina ngizobheka inyoni embili ijuba ahlezi hamba emabili sengiyazi mangathola inhliziyo yalela juba nalela juba ngayikhanda into engifuna uyikhanda ngoba ihlezi imbili makufe lodwa liyasala li1 angeke liyothathela omunye umuntu ngoba indlela eladalwa ngayo but sesikhuluma ngokujula ke manje ubuwayini ngaphakathi manje angisancengi phela manje
Kahle Ncushi.
Hayi kamanje Ncushi.
Bulala umnyanga manje.
Yes, Ncushi.
so now lana masikhuluma ngalezi zinto kunemimoya othi uma ngabe mhlambe uvusa umoya wakho thizeni bese kuba umoya othile ozophakama amaqala yonke into ihamba ngama step akhona mhlambe ngenzeka ngithi ngiyothwasa kuvele kuphakama isithuno sibe yise siphezulu ngenzeka ngithi mhlamba ngithwasi kuvele kuphakame izipoko njengani njoba iziphezulu ezami izipoko hlezi zonke ubusuku nemini kungathwasile kunjalo lento ihamba ngaleyo ndlela but yonke lento simbathi isuka ikithi ngoba ekakhulu umbhunkuleko ekhuluma ngemimoya kunesikhathi sokuthi ke manje ake si-understand umoya othile mase ngihlaba imbuzi sengivusa umoya mhlawumbe obumnyama noma sengivusa umoya wasemanzini ngifuna ukucontrola but manje kufanele kube khona ilokuzane iagreement esizoyenza isivumelwano between mina nalo moya engivusayo ayizwane lemimoya ukuthi ngizoyivusa ngandlela enjani ke akufani ngifune ngibuye kunkulu uthi manje sekhona igroup yes usho ukuthi sizophinda athi isangoma sinazo igroup yinto efakiwe leyo ediwe umngoma ahlangana nazo nabathandazi nangu uyoza ngishaya amavuso
ngicela ungena amavuso ake sithi kuyilungisa lapha khehle lami lento ngithe mina entweni jonke from ubunusa imboni to inyanga to umngoma uGreat Ara wakhona ugedla is the new kid on the block
New kid on the block
is the new kid on the block you understand so when we have got this new kid on the floor now sekahlakanipha udlula abadala kade bevele bebona ngisho kanjani lento ake
Hayibo, really?
ake silungisela
Isilungise khe.
ugedla lo uyazi why athi ugedla ugedla ngokuthandaza angithi
Okay.
uyi-oli i-background yakhe yibuthandazi ugedla lo angithi ugedla ngobunyanga yena unesiphiwo sokuthi angakwazi ukulapha ayenzele kodwa usenemkhuba yakhe naye emenza angahlali ebunyangeni straight siyaqala ukugela siyaqala ukwenza ezinye into zabangoma angithi uyambona kulezinye izinto anazo engathi ngambuza ngithi ufunani lento ezikanje mina gedla nalokhu yakuyelithi ngithi imkhuba yabangoma lasimizulu uyagedla right bonke amagedla la ngiya-agree nabo kodwa ngamagedla ane-background engafani
njengoba eshilo nje ukuthi uyahlola
yebo uright amagedla ayahlola vele ngoba nabathandazi bayakwazi ukuthi bayi-2 by 4 abone ahambe ayogubha imithi ahambe ayogubha amathuna still uyahlola ugedla u-understand ngithe mina amagedla ngama-allrounder alright bise sithi thina la mkhulu athi yena isangoma abangoma bathanda ukuthi babe ngama-mainstream
nobhuti naye ushiye
yebo alright ngicela ukubuza sami wena ezesangoma wena ungaya kanjani ukuthi ube yi-mainstream ma ukhuluma nomuntu ozothi ma ukhuluma naye uthi thina siyenza into ekanje from emandulo yena athi mina ngiyenza le esize manje obviously wena you know more into kumele uyenze ukuthi umfundise ukuthi this is our way mina let me tell you something but now umuntu ozokhuluma athi prophet mina ngithi usagula
Hawu.
Usagula. Ugula ngokuthi usadinga ukuthi aqedisise ukuthi kahle kahle uyini yena. Understand? Because the word prophet it does not apply to us. We never prophets. Thina sinemboni nomnusi. Sinemboni nomnusi ama-prophet ngama-Holy Ghost fire wathi chakala. Thina sikhuluma ngomelapho endabuko. Angithi? And then we have umkhulu athi no into yobungoma ingumoya thizeni omdaka ongcolile ukhuluma on i-Christianity perspective ukuthi umqondo wakhe unoSnoah phakathi unesAbraham phakathi and then uthe kunemoya emdaka ehamba nobungoma nemoya emihle ehamba noNkulunkulu and then they think ukuthi ubungoma bunaNkulunkulu ubungoma bunoNkulunkulu abangoma they know uNkulunkulu because all along that's why we're even killed before no Christians were killed for being Christians.
I'm coming back to you now. Remember, as I'm sitting here, I listen to you guys. You just said ubungoma bunoNkulunkulu phakathi. Let me remind you. You said ubungoma abuhambi no Jesu. You put it down here earlier on.
That's why if ilahla.
And secondly, I want to know ukuthi abangoma bafuna nesondweni. It's for you. But anyone is allowed to answer, but I'm coming to you. Remember, Michael is like, no, I'm coming, wait a bit. Wait a moment. Yes, church and abangoma. Now it's ubungoma bunoNkulunkulu and ngifuna ukuthi ungichazele futhi la.
Kunegama umkhulu alisebenzile. Uthola ukuthi mina ngivukwa yibunyanga, lo uvukwa isithunga. That's when we start to go wrong.
Okay. Okay.
The word isithunga it means a messenger. It does not apply to ukuthandaza. Ngesinguni esiphilayo isithunga umuntu othunyiwe is just a message.
Okay.
So that means sonke sinazi ithunga.
Okay.
Kodwa ithunga zethu azithunyiwe into efanayo.
Wow.
Angithi so isithunga has got nothing to do with amajazi, it has got nothing to do with Christianity. Kahle the word isithunga was used by abangoma. Meaning idlozi lokuqala elivuke emuntwini kuthiwa isithunywa somuntu siyakhuluma. That's why this word is commonly used by abantu abafaka amajazi amaziyoni because December ngoma they created that particular church. I want to go where
yes,
abangoma bangena njani esontweni. All right, abangoma amasonto kamoya they were created especially uZion. Angithi the ones that are wearing amajazi it was created by abangoma.
Okay.
When the church was created by abangoma with the era where abangoma they were being killed because they were resisted. And in operation they upholded that culture and that tradition namasiko. And then we all know which Wapumen Act would let us kill all abangoma because they are opposing resistance. Abanye abangoma but
Witchcraft Act.
In our history,
okay.
There was a certain act eyayenziwa ngabantu ukuthi ake sithi eliminate abangoma.
Okay,
Yeah,
Keta, but now you are not answering me. I want you to answer me so that I can move to another guest. Uthe wena ubungoma bahambi noJesu.
Yeah.
Bewuchaza ukuthini manje uma usuthi wena usuthi ubungoma noNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu osisa kufana mhlambe or in and maybe lapho inhla khona.
Okay, it's simple then. Ngulukhanyane uJesu ushembe
Mnyeke
ushembe nami
Yeah.
nami siyafana. Mina ushembe ulukhanyana uJesu naye umkhulu ngamfaka naye futhi. Understand? Because there are people who are believing emsebenzini yakhe. There are people abathi umkhulu sibanibanyana wangisiza wakwazi ukuthi angenzi uye no B. Understand? So what happens is this. uJesu abangoma they never believed in Jesus Christ. And isangoma umuntu ohamba ayisontweni abuye abe ngumngoma akase uyena umngoma. Ugela lo. Because ubungoma buma in our traditional ways, but mase uqala ukuthandaza ube neBhayibheli ushisa impepho ubuye futhi ubiza uNoah ubiza uJesu Christ, because ubungoma believes in our old ways.
Okay.
Bume lapho.
Awubuyi wena esontweni.
Hayi so ngalesi bangifuna imali yomnikelo but kanjani.
Bavuso then izoza kuwena.
Mthiya umngoma
Then I'm
bahambelana.
going to close this, go to a second point.
Umngoma bahambelana nesonto. Uma ngabe umngoma kunokungahlambuluki phakathi. That is why umoya womngoma uma ubenza but uma ukhuluma ngokungahlambuluki it's relative ukuthi yini into wrong yini into right, depends on people. Kodwa that is why ubungoma uma bulapheka noma lo moya womngoma it gets to a certain stage la bukhona ukuthi ubiyeke khona. That is why sinabantu today abahambile botwaza la uma sebelungisile leyo nto leyo abasizona izangoma yabo, because leyo nto le iumoya othizeni ohamba ngendlela yawo nje ohlukile. Uma ukhuluma ngomprofeti, umprofeti has always been there.
They said you're not done wena kusamele uqhubeke.
Ngiqedile futhi mina nginemegqineni nginabo bonke because mina ngiyeme messenger, but not only limited to that, because uma ukhuluma ngomprofeti is not only just a messenger. Umuntu lo messenger can there's different types of prophets. There's a seer, there's a hearer, even in the prophetic. So okusho ukuthi even uma ngibona into angibona inkinga kuphela, kufanele ngibone nesolution yayo leyo nto ukuthi lento le ifuneka ibe nje. So you can't limit me as a messenger. Ngumelaphi. That is why, because I go beyond ukuthi uma sengibonile ukuthi kunento enje, there must be a solution. Otherwise ukubona kwami is useless. Nedlozi nalo I mean noNkulunkulu omedlozi ngizoba ne problem yokuthi wangibonisa ukuthi unqusho uyagula kodwa wangini solution leyo nto leyo ayinamsebenzi.
Umbone egulu yambona
Manje ke sikhuluma i-problem esiba nayo ukuthi as African people sinayo yonke le mimoya eyahlukahlukene, and manje it happens ukuthi uma umuntu oyi-one ugcine usenemimoya ehlukahlukene that you touch. Uyabona, and uma ngabe uthinta le moya leyo ngokuhlukahlukana kwayo, if uyifunda leyo moya uzinika isikhathi zokuyi-understand, you would be able to ukuthi ulaphe uyithinte yonke leyo mkhakha ngendlela yakhona. For example, uma ufuna ukuvusela isipoko mina ngizokuvusela. Why ngikuvusela isipoko? Because nginabo ubugedla, nginayo umkhulu from esayidini lake bubaba oyegedla. Uma ufuna futhi ukuthi ngikwenzele ubungoma, ngizokwenzela ubungoma ngoba ngiyile ngayenza into yobungoma. Yabona?
Thank you, Mavus. Thank you, Mavus. Yes, Khethala.
Yabona umngoma namanje futhi ngisasho ukuthi ungcole ngalendlela. Yabo. Athi uchaza ethiwa ngithi ulokhuzwana. Ngizothi kuba ncanyana because uzoyi understand lena. Uyazi emanzini ukuthi kunama spirits are wrong kunama spirits are right.
Yes.
Understand? Kuya ngokuthi wena uzofunani. You understand that nto le? So abangoma banalento ukuthi okay ngezi lapha. Uyazi ukuthi if futhi asinkalekisi ingane nesiphiwo. Understand? Nesiphiwo sama business. Uyazi ukuthi uyakwazi usithwebula leso siphiwo. Sihlala ngakuwena esigujini. Bese uthatha ivusa isipoko kade kusho, evusa isipoko bese unika leyo ngane uthi izoba isangoma ngalesipoko. Understand?
But it's not the original.
Uzobona ukuthi kahle uyakwazi ukuyima nophetha ndlela noma kanjani. Understand?
Okay, yeah.
Yabo. Ugcina umuntu ephuma amabhayi ebe isangoma ephuphe ngisho inhlwathi. Yabo. Thothi uphupha ngisho inhlwathi ebuthe idlozi. Kodwa ukuxaye ukuthi umuntu bathi idlozi inhlwathi mabebona ephushweni kodwa mase beyibona beyigaxile la bathi ithwala. Uthuka ukuthi akayibungandla ukuthi umkhulu wami wayethwele. Yabo kodwa angikho lapho. Yabo. So into engifuna ukuyisho la ukuthi umoya womngoma umoya ama-spirits a-rejectwa athathwa omkhulu bethu. Understand? Emanzini. Understand? Yikho yonke into fanele iyenziwe lapha emanzini. Yabo, yazi ngisho ngisho ubani mina ngamenza ukuthi mawufuna ube isangoma. Futhi ube isangoma sangempela.
Awungenze.
Yabo.
Okay, it's yours.
Yabo.
Yo.
Ubuze futhi why ugulisana lo moya. Wakwagulisa umoya ohlambulukile. uNkulunkulu angagulisa nje. Sengenza example. Ukuguliselana. Ingoba ilwane ilambile.
Now I want to close this, but before I close this, I will start kuwe, ngize kunondabela, ngize kuwe, then we move. But before we move, uthi emanzini kunama spirits ahlanzekile nabangcolile.
Kunjalo.
So izangoma mama uthi umoya engcolile, basuke uthe yonke into bayenza emanzini. So basuke beyokwenzana emanzini. Basuke bona imoya engcolile ehlanzekile.
Yoqiniswa amandla. Kulandwa nemoya.
Kuyiphi imimoya? That's what I want to understand. Engcolile yori.
Ebumnyama baze bayiphupha ebumnyama. You understand? Yazi athi uqalekisa iposition ayifani. Yazi khona umuntu abangizokwenza example lelo. Bazongifakazela. Abaye bambulelwa lento. Uyazi emngomeni ukuthi khona umuntu depend iposition okuyona. Khona umuntu if kufika ukudla. You understand? Kuthiwa nakho ukudla. Ubona ngathi ukudla kwakho akuthandayo, kuhle, ekudle kanti bayamdlisa. Khona umuntu makuthiwa nakho ukudla, mayithi yabuka ukudla, ethe kwancane kunelwane, egcine kulahle phansi. Lokho kuchaza ukuthini? Ama position alawo abantu abafana. Khona sekukhanyeni, khona sebumnyameni. Ebumnyameni ubona yonke into ifana. Khona umuntu makufika ubuhlalo, ebonza ubuhlalo fana ukuthola. Khona uma bebona ubuhlalo kuveza ezinyoka.
Okay, you want to say something? I saw you.
Yabo.
Yeah, umkhulu uthi abangoma balanda imimoya engcolile emanzini. Senza amagedla ahamba na emanzini. Nabathandazi bayaya emanzini. Bona balanda yipi?
Kunjalo. Igedla ngitheni? Igedla inyanga mthakathi. Understand? Igedla kahle
Okay,
yona
I
khandi
need
zango.
to answer the question. Uthi lokuza answer your question.
Okay.
Ukuthini mina since abangoma baye emanzini.
Nabo la ndimo.
Abangoma baye emanzini balanda imimoya kanjani?
Engcolile.
Amagedla
Nabathandazi.
baye emanzini nabathandazi baye emanzini. Bona balanda yaphi imimoya?
Balanda imoya engcolile. Athi uchazela ithwayo abathandazi. Yazi bathanda imoya engcolile. Understand? Ukugedla ubest on eqiniseni kakhulu. Amandla, uzolanda amandla ugedla. Understand? Phela izilwane zokuthwala zisuka khona emanzini. Uze ufundise ukuthwala. Yikho abanye bathothi bazophupha ngisho thothi kuphuma izilwane emfuleni. Understand? Zidla abantu. Ungazi ukuthi uzophupha kanjani mhlawumbe bakutshengisa ukuthi lezi zilwane lezi ile mimoya ehamba isiqede ngabantu. Understand? Izinto ezisuka emfuleni.
Thank you so much.
Uyayibona into lokuzama.
My munchies, I hope you learn something from this conversation with my guest here. As I always say, take what works for you, run with it. And guys, this is season 17. A lot of discussion like this will take place. I decided to know this season, let me just bring people on the table. Let's talk. Let's agree, disagree. This name we must give. Anyway, we are closing this. We are moving to the last point. Then we are closing the show because we can't finish the content. Your last point on this, what is it that you can say in few? Then you do the same. You do the same. Then I introduce the last topic.
Asiqalelana mthiya uyazi kunento abantu abayi-understand abayihlanganisayo yabona nje mina uma ufuna sixabane faka uJesu phakathi because angikholelwa kuJesu futhi nje angikhulumi ngoJesu that's why uzothi uma uthi uyabuka mayiqala kusebusuku ku12 la iwash lithi 000 seliyakutshela ukuthi there is nothing lapho ngo12 ebusuku uze umuntu ethi ngiyavuka ngiyothandaza uthandazela ini ngoba isiwe by mhlambe imimoya isuke ihlangahlangene yenziwe into zayo wena ubhizi uyavuka uyathandaza ngo12 ebusuku but nesikhathi newathi liqale ku0.00 liyakhombisa ukuthi there is nothing uyikhulekelayo so ke Lento yemimoya yokuthi akusiye yakini bafethu ngicabanga ukuthi sezixoxile zazafika kude kabi, but into ebalekile ile yokuthi awuqala uyifune kuqala ukuthi wena ufola anda kuphi kulezi zinto esikhuluma ngazo. Iyona into ebaleke nayo yonke into ukuthi uyi-understand ukuthi ufola kuphi, ngabe ufola kubangoma, ngabe ufola kubathandaza, ngabe ufola ebunyangeni ngaphambi kubungena, ungazigcina usungena entweni kanti uyifaka entweni wrong.
Amen. But
Yeah, and I think ngizoma lapho umkhulu ukuthi most of the people bayithola basenkingeni because uhamba nento etrendayo. Inkingi ilokutrenda. Abantu abaningi basenkingeni because ugcina mhlawumbe nawe sowugedle or soyinyanga or sowumthandazi, and the worst part laba abanoJesu ba wesi ke lapho because and mind you lento before ngibala lento emimoya inokugula komqondo thizeni. Understand? Angeke ugule physical, ugule spiritual, unasogula mental. Most of the things esizenzayo thina I think ikhona ingulo thizeni esidinga ukuthi sike siyelungisisana kancane ngokomqondo, because at the end of the day it's either we don't know where we stand or lento is part of ingulo, because a lot of things. But then lidlozi umoya wasekhaya. It's not a universal, it's not chakra, it's not elements, what, it's not all these English words, what, idlozi umoya wasekhaya or manifest uvuke emuntwini. If you have never seen umuntu avukwa idlozi, then that's where you say it's chakra, it's what waters. But then if we have seen umuntu avukwa idlozi, you understand ukuthi umuntu uyavukwa idlozi libuye lizokhuluma
Ikhona kusiyami.
Kuma baplug emoyeni. So
Ndabela.
thank you, Ndabela.
Yabo, mina into engayisho ukuthi siphila emazweni awu2, izweni lenyama nezweni lakamoya. Yabona bafuna ukunderstand ukuthi ukuyiphi position. Focus kakhulu emaphusheni akho. Emaphupheni aqamba manje. It's either kumnyama or kuyakhanya. Cause bayakunika imbuzi uhamba uhlaba emsamo kanti kumnyama. Bemnika omunye kanti kuyakhanya kunelanga. Understand? So into ofanele ukuanalyze kuna kakhulu, ukuanalyze amaphupho bonke uhamba ngendlela yini. Once waqala wena walokhu uthi ufundile abantu uyafunda kubantu uyafunda uyenza izinto zabantu, uangafocus kwamoya, uyogcina ungena into ongazazi. Because ezinye izinto uyothothwa wena ekhakini unesiphiwo ukuthi uqede ngayo yonke izinto ezimbi ezenziwa okhokho bakho oba uzoqala phansi indlela ehlambulukile right. Dabe kuthakaza obegaga. Kuyenzeka umuntu ethotha ufike uzele leyo into emhlabeni.
Wow, thank you. Prophet.
Yey, ubungoma kusinto yakini. And it doesn't matter ukuthi umkhulu wakho wayeyisangoma noma kanjani, naye leyo nto wayithola. Umngoma can be resisted. And ukuthi une gift, it does not automatically mean ukuthi uyisangoma. A spiritual gift does not say anything ngobungoma. A spiritual gift is very diverse. Out of angisho ukuthi ubungoma bukhona, kodwa izingoma sinazo there's only maybe 1% that are truly called ebungomeni. Laba abanye banazo iziphiwo ezahlukahlukene. It's just ukuthi nihlolelwe yizo futhi izangoma. That is why they don't want you to have your true calling, and they will want you to be frustrated like them. Ubungoma asikho isangoma esinemali.
Kancane before vale kunephuzo libalekile shiwo lokuzana ngapha.
No problem.
Okufanele abantu sibaxoxisele ngoba bahluphekile.
hayi manje ukuthi isangoma esinemali ngicela ungena
Uzongena yima ngiqede lena ingazibaleka.
Angeke ngene
Kunephuzo elishiwo ngapha elinamandla ngendlela isimanga. Kunezangoma ezithwasile obengafane lo muntu hayi ukuthi ube nomoya wokuthi asebenza abantu, kodwa bekufanele aqede isikweletu somuntu wakubo.
Oh, yes,
Kwenzeke kunomuntu ohambe wayothwasa wafika washonela ephehlweni. So manje besiyabuya lo yamoya uzovuka komunye umuntu ukuthi wena ngicela uqede lo msebenzi wami engawuqedanga. Mhlambe lo muntu hayi ukuthi efanele asiza abantu, uzoqedela
I need this. Yeah.
uzoqedela lo yamsebenzi walo yamuntu angawuqedanga. Yila inkinga besifikishayisana lapho ukuthi manje basidambile nje bebeshila umkhulu bese uzothi wena hayi hamba osebenza mntanami, kanti cha ke njengoba wonke umuntu mayefika la emhlabeni kunomuntu ozalwe embethe, kunomuntu ofanele umvulela ingubo yakhe, uthi uzivula inkahla nothi umuntu wasise uzomvulela inkahla yakhe azalwe nayo.
Maqeda hamba ufuna umsebenzi.
Ahamba ufuna umsebenzi asebenza.
I like that. I need this. This is very important and it's going to help a lot of people. Yes, Ndabela.
ya imnandi ma abantu bathi kunomoya thina abangoma bese sibatshela ukuthi umuphi lo moya. angithi bayikhuluma ngoba bayayicabangela bayayizwa and bayayazi bayitshelwa abanye abantu. Angithi kunabantu abanomoya wamalinda idlozi lasekhaya lokuthi lowo muntu lizomthuma ayothwasa kodwa lowo muntu akumele ukuthi mhlawumbe abe ngumelaphi alaphi isizwe. Lowo muntu was dedicated ukuthi alaphi isimo sasekhaya still uyisangoma. Understand? Ufuna andu bungoma uyenzile ingoma bekudingeka ingoma ukuthi azolungisa into ezithize lapho. Le moya le umkhulu athi imoya yobunyama yiyo ifuneke ukuthi izolungisa izinto zihambe right. Le moya yobunyama eyakha isho. Alright, bese sithi kuba khona abantu abakokuthi lo muntu kumele athwase, makathwasile akwazi ukuthi asize abantu. So lento ayisho imkhulu ikhona iyaphila nayo, lento ayisho imkhona impela iyaphila. Lelo lidlozi abathu bani wathwaselinda.
Thank you so much. Wow. Uyazi ukuthi different thoughts, different brains. You can gain, as I always say, you know what? Sometimes don't crush people because when you think whatever that you bring on the table, it's better than them. Listen to them, and then you can surf.
True.
But what I've noticed about you guys, I'm gonna say it with confidence. Nisile.
Wenze njani ukhala kanje?
Anyway, let's go to the last point. We are closing. You've been sitting here, and I know you are traveling and you are going somewhere as well.
Yeah.
And I've got another panel that is coming, and I've got another panel that is coming. So I still have 2 panels. But you get my point, Silly guys. It's not something that I'm lying about. You guys, it's either uncushe make a point lana ukuthi umavuso uzizwa kanjani ngalo kumele azivalele esigujini.
Sure.
Because uncushe siyabasonke ukuthi uncushe ubeka la kanti cha ayisebenzi kanjalo kumele silalelaneni. Then mara ke uncushe kumele azubuye sikuthatha ngokushona. Guys, I've seen, and you know me, I read, I will go and dig things. You'll ask me, how did this man get here? And mass cleansing.
Oh, mass cleansing. Lo dinihambe nibaningi niyemfuleni.
Guys, ngiyabona abanye ukuthi okay, sinayi la ngithize siye emanzini and this and this and this. I just want to understand. One. Number 2, is it possible ukuthi umuntu athwalise kulamanzi engazi? Mhlawumbe ngithembisa inhlanhla. Ngithembisa ukuthi no what ngizokwenza you know uma uza kushefa zalani bathi uza ukugobela umbatha. Yonke into yakhe izolunga. Kumele senze kumele emanzini. Then sambise emanzini wena ubongaza ukuzothwala. Then mina lamanzini sengiyakuthwalisa not you knowing. Then isala abahlakaniphileke. Bazosiba beqeda abantu bambawuhlola kuncushe. Uzozabe wena uthwalisile wena. So I want to know ukuthi into enjalo vele iyenzakala. And is it advisable ukuthi sihambe sibaningi siyokucleansa?
Yeah. No, mthi asicale la. First point, the mass cleansing must stop. Ayikho lento. Yekelele lento ubuqola unyanga obungaphelelisiwe nobungahloliwe ngendlela efanele. Angeke ukhona umisa abantu abayithena emfuleni ubenze at the same time ungakhona. But those people must fall under the same category ukuthi uyokwenza ini lapha emanzini futhi bonke labo bantu usubahlolile ukuthi leyo nto yobayenzela yona lapha emanzini ibafanele ene ba ready ukuthi bayenze. So ungathatha abantu uthi 150 asiyene emanzini sonke because kunobantu abangafika lapha emanzini ngenxa yekweletu, ngenxa yobuthakathi, ngenxa yezimpi ababhekene nazo empilweni kufike izinto zabo zibe worse futhi kufike lo othi ukuthembile wena kufike kungasebenzi.
Thank you.
So asibuye kuleli lesibili yokuthi now you said umuntu angathwaliswa
Athwalise emanzini
angazi.
ngenxa zama-clay.
Ukuthwalisa uma uwazi ukuthi wenzani, ukuthwalisa is very simple. Angidingi nokukusa emanzini ukuze ngikuthwalise. And ukuthwalisa it's very dangerous because ngokugcaba nje ngokukwenza ama-incantations noma ngikwenza ukuthi usho izinto ezithile uyakhona ukuthi ngubophezele ngufake emoyeni othile. So kubalulekile ukuthi uma uthi wenza into angisho ukuthi mhlawumbe maybe this opinion is biased because mina ngiyahlola and I'm a prophet. Yonke into engiyenzayo ngiyayihlola. So mhlawumbe uzoya kumuntu ongahloli, but lamadoda angahloli lawa enza izinto siba nenkinga nawo because afika nikeza abantu izinto and wazi ukuthi ngoba enikeza abantu abayi10 even nalo wes11 izomxhuma leyo nto ifike lento ingasebenzi kuye.
Thank you.
It's a problem.
Thank you. Nondabela.
Inkinga now that we have is one size fits all thing. When something is not okay, in fact, it's not okay. You understand? Why? Because uthola ukuthi umkhulu kunabantu abawu5. Labo bantu bazi kuye bonke and uyahlola uyabona ukuthi laba bantu need water cleansing. Angithi? And when ungibona semanzini nabantu abawu5 futhi iyona lento esihlala sikhulu ngayo. But then the only thing is that abantu bangahamba bawu10 emanzini, they will never perform the same rituals. Lento yama same rituals it starts ngabathandazi. Abangoma inyanga, they knew, they understood to say the rituals can never be the same. But abathandazi obvious so wami yangena emanzini ejazi libomvu enesphambano aria nest and then that's what we stand for.
Aria next.
So mase imenjalo lento wena mkhulu, and then thina we know our story. We know ukuthi umuntu makahamba bayi5, these people are going to do different rituals there. They can be 100 as long as they are doing rituals according to what amadlozi wabo wants. You understand? So it's not about the number, it's about the rituals that are being done there. You understand? So you can have 10 people. Now I've got the problem nabanye abantu whereby say you cannot go and do same rituals ebantwini about 10 at the same time because it's not one size fits all. So uhlushwa ipoki zakhe ezamagedla owayigcaba ngekanani. No uhlushwa already you cannot actually say ukuthi lento sizoyenza ngendlela efanayo. Understand? And then what you must understand, mhlawumbe uyahlola, uhlola ngezulu nomoya. Uyahlola uhlola ngenkukhu. Bahlola bonke labantu.
Inkukhu iyahlola.
It's just an example. Oh. Yeah. Now akona ungawathemba amagedla isangahlola emagedla.
Oh my goodness, Lord. Yeah.
Anything is possible.
But he's here. He doesn't come for himself.
But then what I'm simply saying is this. Everything you cannot have abantu and do the same ritual. The problem is not the number, the problem is the rituals that are being done there. It's the end of the night, abantu bethwasisa abantu. Uthola ukuthi sesithwasa abantu ngesame way and then ngendlela thizeni ukwazi wathi ubungoma ukuphuza igazi uliphalaza, and I didn't respond to that, which is not true. Isangoma siyakwazi ukuthwasa singaphuzanga igazi saliphalaza. Akuzona izangoma zonke kumele ziphuze igazi liphalaza. So abanye abantu abengabona abangoma they think ubungoma ukuthi ube nembuzi uphuze igazi uliphalaza. But then while least ubungoma you can actually sithwasa sonke la sithwasa uNkulunkulu angithi, and then uma sithwasa uNkulunkulu elami idlozi liyayifuna imbuzi nani ukuthi liphalaze yenze elakho alifuni.
Okay, thank you. Uyathwasisa ke? When?
Ngiyathwasisa.
Uyathwasisa? Hey kuningi lo. Anyway, yeah, on the point here.
Thwasisa kanjani ungathwasanga nqusha?
Nqusha lo. Let's do it.
Asikalela ukuthwasisa akusiyona into yokuthi obalakho uthwasile mhlawumbe ngeke ukwazi ukuthwasisa. Angithi akusimina engithwasisayo. Yidlozi lalomuntu uma esefikela ekhaya lizokhuluma ukuthi lifunani bese ngenza lezo zinto zakhe. Abantu bayephambanisa lento leyo. Sibuye kweyenkukhu. Inkukhu iyahlola. inkukhu yahlola. That's why that's why ngithi ake ngikwenzele umzekelo. Mangithi yahlola ngeke siyithathe izokhuluma la ifike ikhulumele cha. Kodwa mina ezugedla especially iqhude ngiyakwazi ukuthatha umuntu wami ngifake kuyiqhude. Uma likhala iqhude lishaya inamba kimi emzimbeni. Leyanto iconnected nami. Manje kikikiki iyakhala lapha kimi inombolo yasho sengiyazi ukuthi okay mhlawumbe ake ngithi nje siphela lapha nje ngaphakathi. Inkukhu zami zingale ngaphandle. Uma uzofika wena uyinyanga noma ufika nomoya othile ngizozwa ngalo likhala lapha sengiyazi ukuthi sekunento wrong lapha ngaphandle. So izinto zethu lezi ebunyanga.
Ngiyakuthanda ngoba ukhanya ubuye endleleni what you say.
Alright. Lapha kwi cleansing leyana kufanele ngabe siyayiyeka. Because abantu abaningi ubafica sekukekeza inkukhu beyogeza ngabantu beyogeza inkukhu ngabantu into engumsangano ngiyaxolisa njalo umsangano but loyo because mina ungafika kimi uthi udlala nesilwane ngifike ngiphuza isimbiza bese ngiyacaba sikwaphila nesilwane ngingathanga emanzini yogeza and then abantu bayiphambanisile lento uma uthatha umuntu umsemfuleni kuyadepend ukuthi umfulo ohambayo noma umfulo omile kunento kune role edlalwa umfulo omile kune role edlalwa umfulo ohambayo so lento ukuthi manje mase semfuleni ke sokwenza cleansing ke nani ngingayenza cleansing la kwami njobe shima vuso ufike ukuthi mhlambe ziyakubhedela ngithathe nawo umuthi ukuthwala lapha emanzini ukuthwala ke uqala esigodlweni umuntu athwale but ungazi ukuthi uyathwala the moment ufika kimi uthi wena kunabantu abafuna ukudubula bese ngithi naye woza ngizocaba ngizoqinisa lento engisuke ngifana sekusithwalo lesa but awazi wena sekusithwalo ngoba manje lento sizokuvikela eyitheni ukuthi zingakuhlaseli kalula okanye ube nesithunzi manje usabeke kubantu sengivusa umoya othile njobe ke wayisho ubhuti ngiyamthanda mina because lana kunabantu mawufika athi umuntu idlozi lakini lingcolile kufanele silikhiphe idlozi elingcolile sayili clean ngithi mina uyahlanya ukhiphelana ingcolile loba ngizolidinga la ekhaya lelingcolile ngesinye isikhathi uma kuthiwa kuno antu ayethakatha la ekhaya useshonile lo anti lo bese ngizovusa idlozi eliclean kuphela mase ngishawa ngabantu alike idlozi ezongilwela ezongivikela but ngoba lelingcolile lo mthakatha ovele ethakatha la ekhaya lizokwazi ukungivikela ukuthi not ngosibani bani so ngiyalidinga nani ukuhlukahlukana kwemoya.
Wow, thank you. Yeah,
okay. Hayi abantu abasilimaza kakhulu okugobela izangoma ukuchazela ukuthi why angisho ukuthi izangoma zisilimaza kakhulu izangoma yabo yazi basilimaza ngano izangoma ilento yokukrema amaphupho understand lento yokwenza ukuthi yonke umuntu ofika ekhaya wenza nje laba banqeni ukuthi mawuphupha amanzi kakhulu uthi uhamba nethunywa zamanzi kusho izangoma understand kanti ukuphupha amanzi kuyahluka nomuntu khona amanzi lapho angihamba khona kufanele ngiyolanda amandla you understand ngeke ngisho ukuthi umnyama noma ukhanya but khona lapho kufanele uyolanda khona amandla kukhona lapho amanzi thothi uphiwe ani masu analyze nje ngisho ijeni yakho lokuzana yabo uphiwe khona ukuhlambulula imimoya mina ukuthi udilize imithwalo yomuntu ilwane you understand ngamanzi kuphela kukhona lapho uthothi mhlawumbe athi inkalekisi khambe kufanele kuhambe uyonikela kule nkosi leyo obumnyama ufika unikela ngembuzi emnyama wenza ngishilata kukhona lapho but umuntu uzofika ukuthi ngiphupha amanzi bese ethi umuntu awuyazi wena unethunywa zamanzi shuthi into yakho kufanele semzele emanzini sasa lo muntu uyamfundisela esikoleni uyaphuma usazi ukuthi yena kufanele hlambulula abantu emanzini kanti okwakhe kwakuyo ukuganga okumpuphisa amanzi abantu abaningi bayaphupha amanzi but akufani so izangoma ezisifaka ehlathini kulento ukuthi yonke into zithatha uzenza ngathi ibelonga kubona yabo lento endisisho eqala ukuthi yonke into umoya owabo yonke into owabo yabo
Okay, thank you so much. Your word of wisdom.
Ngicabanga ukuthi into engayisho nje kubalulekile ukuthi uunderstand number 2 ungathi ma uya enyangeni uye enyangeni ungadirectiwe amaphupho wakho noma idlozi lakho so kubalulekile ukulalela iphupho lakho noma idlozi lakho ningathembi thina okudlula amadlozeni ngoba thina sinamanga sizonifaka kuzo zonke izinto ezibhedayo kanti idlozi lakho alivumeli leyo nto leyo so ibalekile into ukuthi oqala kufanele uyazi uma uzohamba enyangeni qala uphahle emsamo ucela idalwa zakho zikhanyisele ulungileni umavuso ukuthi ngaya kuye ngoba manje understand umthandazo uyinyanga ugedla umprofeti so yini azokusiza ngayo lizokwambula idlozi lakho no uma uya kumavuso nakho uzofika ukuthole khona
Amen. Baba, your word of wisdom.
ya nami uzothi uvumelana nayo ke lapho ukuthi esikhathini esiningi rely on idlozi lakho, and when you rely on idlozi lakho, at times there's a problem because abanye abantu but they are able to actually influence amaphupho wakho.
True.
So uyaphupha wena, you think ukuthi yidlozi eliuphuphisayo kanti umavuso, you understand? So kuba nenkinga ke lapho ukuthi how do you differentiate, how do you tell ukuthi manje ngiphushiswa idlozi, manje ngiphushiswa umavuso. But what I can say ilento ukuthi inkinga that I can say that we are facing now ake simeni into eyitrendayo. Most of into eyitrendayo ungabona into imnandi kakhulu inobo danger thizeni, uya understand. And the other thing ake simeni ukuthi mase sisemsamo senze into yabantu abadala, awufuna ukudedicate into thizeni esimeni sedlozi elabantu abadala, awuphume ubonowa nemoya yani because you are actually creating i-fight unnecessary. Kunabanye abantu abanabokhokho abadlule emhlabeni be-rejecta inkolo yabelungu. Ona wena sewuyaphahla lapho uvula ukuthi uMatthew 2:7-8 and then labantu bathi no cha yiwona umsangane besingawufuni lo. So ngezinye izinto that we need to understand ukuthi ekugcineni uthola ukuthi umuntu uyaphahla. Baningi abantu abayimanzini wena mkhulu, abantu bayimanzini each and every day from 1 to 31 uyemanzini. That thing is changing. Why? Because you are actually doing rituals ngendlela wrong. So that's what I can say ukuthi ake siqedisise enye into, ungathembisisi kahle amagedla because amagedla konhlupho yawasha. Amagedla umuntu umthandazi, umngoma, ngumnusi, inyanga, unebandla, umbishop, you can't be everything, afethu. You understand? At least asiyala abantu bangenwa yibuthandazi, abantu bangenwa imimoya thizeni. That's why ngisho ukuthi not saying ukuthi ayikho ingulo enjalo eyobugedla, ikhona. That means ulokhu eyingulo. Lami I would greatly appreciate ukuthi umkhulu ugedla makungayenzeka sike simlapha abewazi ukuthi yena ungumthandazi, umngoma, inyanga.
Thank you so much. Yes, wena wisdom.
Mina into ade ungifazelile kancane. Into engilokhuza nokuthi abantu
Ufazele bani wena?
ufazele mina.
UNondabeni.
Khona iphonje engithandile. Abantu abafunde uku-analyze amaphupha abo. Understand? Iphupha qamba manga ukuthi inkinga abantu bathatha ngokuthi if kufike nesidalwa shuthi khona. Kanti oluthi ufana nesidalwa sazalwa lobumnyameni, safela ubumnyameni, sazi ubumnyama kuphela. Understand? Masifika kuwena sofika nobumnyama kanti usidinga ukuthi uhlambulule usikhiphe lapho. Understand? Ikhona igubhu kuthiwa igubhu zomdonso, ngathi bayazazi nabantu. Igubhu zomdonso lezo igubhu lezo uyakwazi ukusikhanda umuntu uhambe udathe isifana simlanda umuntu. Okay, into ekade ngifuna ukisho nje ukuthi abantu aba-analyze amaphupha abo iwona abaluleke kakhulu. Ugade futhi nephupha ukuthi kuyakhanya or kumnyama, mali imnyama liza nobumnyama, makukhanya kuza nokukhanya.
Thank you so much. Mavuse wena wisdom.
Ya ngenxa yazo le igubhu zomdonso yekela lamaphupho aza kulahlekisa nawo. Hamba uyohlola kuncushe, hamba uyohlola kundabela, hamba uhlole kumavuso. Bese ucompare ukuthi laba bantu bathini. Uma ngabe uzophithwa sakuphathanani noma uphathanani kufuneka hamba uyomhlola kuphathanani, umphathanani kuncushe, hamba uyomhlola kundabela, hamba uyomhlola kumavuso. Uzifundise leyo nto, take time. Nathi asihlolele nabantu ngeqiniso sizinyanga. Ungajahi imali. Lento yokuthi ufuna ukuthi abantu benze izinto kanti ubathathela imali yabo. Imali yayinyembezi leyo ngoba abantu mabeza kithi Mthiya akukho kunye ukukhala abakukhalayo. Ukukhala kwabo sikubona ngeimali zabo abafika beyibeke phansi. So manje ke kufuneka sikwazi ukuthi silenze iqiniso. Siyathobeka kakhulu. Ubungoma buyalahleka, ubungoma can be resisted, ubungoma akusiyona imoya wakini. Ukuthi unesiphiwo sabantu abadala akusho ukuthi hamba uyothwasa.
Thank you. My Munchies and Thoughts family, I hope you enjoyed this episode with my guest here. I want to say thank you so much for your love and support. Guys, we are growing in all these social media platforms. I want to say thank you to my Facebookers. We are sitting on 124,000 followers because of you guys. And yes, on TikTok, we are sitting on 322,000 followers as well. Guys, I want to say thank you so much. I know my Facebookers are always waiting for me every day just to have a conversation with them. Guys, don't forget, I am an author. of this beautiful book called On My Own, I Have Found Sunshine. I want to say thank you so much for your support. Your testimonies are really amazing, and I can't wait to give you guys my second offering. Moshe, I want to say I really appreciate you, my friend, and thank you so much for honoring the invitation to be with me. Nondabella, thank you so much, Ketla. I know it's your first time being in this house. You know what, Ne? My managers will tell me if I still need to call you again. But thank you so much, Ketla. I really had fun with you. When you know home it's where heart belongs. You know very well what it's home, it's where the heart belongs.
Thiya ngicela nje ukudlulisa into ebalekile kumaMantshisi and Thoughts. Bafowethu thengani le ncwadi. Le ncwadi kuningi ozokufunda lapha. Ibhalwe ngesingisi kodwa isingisi yakho lesi silulu lesifunda kwa grade R. Funda thengani le ncwadi bafowethu balekile uzwe uhambo lakhe uChef Phatanani Mbatha. Nami ngifundile nje bangangcodekile ngathola ukuthi wasizwa nawe umfundisi uthizeni. Thengani bafowethu le ncwadi. Ibalekile le ncwadi. Ukwazi ukufunda. Ngiyanicela bafowethu kuningi ozokuthola kule ncwadi. Ungathi le Nkosi yami angiyazi ukuchaza ukuthini. Ithe nami nginayo ngithengile ngimali yami ogcina ingane zami ngazalala engadlila lo langa cishe bangixosha nje endlini. Ngithenge le ncwadi bafowethu ngizofunda okuningi kuyona. Ngiyajabula kakhulu. I thank you.
Thank you so much. On that note, it's a wrap. Let's meet on Tuesday, 7 o'clock on our TikTok live. You are more than welcome to come and ask them questions. And of course, I'll have more questions because after shooting an episode, I sit down, watch the episode, analyze the episode, and come with questions. I hope to see you guys soon. As I did say, this season, it's all about discussion. On that note, it's a wrap and goodbye, darlings. Thank you.